Let's go ahead and check in with Nick once again. It is hot out there. We need to start winding this down now that we're in September.
Too bad. We're going to be winding it up here for the next couple of days. We've got some more triple digits ahead. We typically average 3 100-degree plus days in the month of September in Austin. And we're looking at the potential for 2 of them just this week. We're at 97 now after reaching 99 earlier, so we were very close to doing it today. There's actually some triple digits down near Laredo right now. The air is very dry, even drier than it was yesterday. Dew points in the 50s here in Austin and 40s just to the west of us. And that drier air is going to help set us up for a cool night tonight. In fact, our coolest night since the middle of June. That was the last time we dropped into the 60s in Austin. We think Austin gets down to 69. That means a lot of places away from the city get down into the mid 60s to begin your Thursday morning. So I think you're really going to like how it feels tomorrow morning. Not all areas get into the 60s, but most do. There may be a few spots, especially in our eastern counties, that dip into the low 70s. So a cool, dry, refreshing start will give way to this, a high of 102 in the afternoon. That dry air, very easy to heat up. Will be a mostly sunny day. We are not going to add any heat index value to this. It's going to feel what the temperature reads because there will be very little humidity in the air. Not all of us get into the triple digits, expecting upper 90s in the hill country here tomorrow. It is going to mean that high school football live on KBVO tomorrow evening at 7:30, Vista Ridge taking on Bowie. It's going to be a hot game, but remember that air will be dry. 98 at kickoff, 92 at halftime, 87 in the fourth quarter, and mostly clear. Potentially another triple-digit day on Friday, but temperatures dropping into the weekend. The reason being, we'll get more clouds and eventually some rain. That rain will come from this. This is Hurricane Lorena spinning in the eastern Pacific, right near Baja California there. This is expected to track off to the north and east and weaken into a tropical depression and then remnants as we get into the weekend. But it's those remnants that may cross over Mexico and bring us some pretty decent rain chances for part of your weekend. Now, I don't want you canceling your plans, especially not for Saturday with very low rain chances. But rain and storm chances looking much more likely here on Sunday. Right now, we think scattered to numerous showers and storms expected here on and off on Sunday, but not raining all day. Much lower rain chances on Monday, but still some chances Monday, and then a much drier day on Tuesday. We're dry by next Wednesday. Already, though, the Weather Prediction Center have outlined a level 1 out of 4 flash flooding threat for most of the area on Sunday, but that's a 2 out of 4 for the hill country already, and we're still several days away. So some signs there of some potentially pretty heavy rain. We think most of us through Monday are going to get 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. But there could be some isolated 2 to 4 inch amounts. And of course, we'll get a better idea on those totals and more specifics as we get closer to the weekend. But already it's looking like the potential is there anyway for some locally heavy rain. And with that rain comes some cooler air dropping us down into the 80s here Sunday and Monday, but then back into the 90s early to mid next week as we dry out.